How now, brown cow? How now? Okay, we good? All right, sweet. Hi, it's Mr. G. So this is procedures level 2. All right. What we're gonna do right now is that you're gonna write down procedures of how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, man, that's really tough. I know, that's why we're practicing it. But what we're gonna do is, I already have my supplies. So I got my bread, I got my peanut butter, I got my jelly, my Smucker's strawberry jam, I have my knife, and I have my plate. I also have my Izzy from earlier, which I'll be enjoying. So good. Okay, step 1. Bread on the plate. Now you want to set it up perfectly aligned like this. Now, what we're gonna do, I usually put peanut butter first. So I take my knife. Yes, I'd say that's pretty good. I spread evenly across, but I don't have enough. So I'm gonna put some more. Sometimes you have to do that, because honestly, if you don't have enough peanut butter, it's not good. Now, some of you guys might be allergic to peanut butter, so you might use honey. If you are allergic to honey, use bananas. I don't know if people do that anymore. And then I take my knife, and I scrape it on my jar. Now, as you can see, it's completely spread out, even. It's beautiful. It's a masterpiece. Put my lid back on. Now, step 2 is a little more intense, but I'm gonna make sure that my knife is completely clean before I dip it into the jelly. Now, it is very important that you don't take a knife and stick it, like, do jelly first, because then you put jelly in the peanut butter, but jelly has to be refrigerated. So you always go peanut butter first, jelly second. It's a little tip. That's what happens when you're 30. So as you can see, I'm kind of gliding it, pushing it on there. Then we have a bunch of little clumps. You have to make sure that it's even and spaced out. You just don't want to have, like, you know, all the jelly on one side. You need to space it out. There we go. Spread it. That's the key word. Spread. I might need a little bit more. See, that's pretty good. Now, there's still some jelly on the knife, so what I do is I take the bread and I just smear it like that. Take the jar, put the lid on. Take the 2 pieces, fold like a clam, like an oyster. Now, sometimes you can cut it into halves, or you can cut it into 4s. And that is your peanut butter and jelly. Pretty good. So, what you're gonna do, you are gonna write a detailed procedure of what I just did. That's pretty good, isn't it?
That's excellent.
I know.